Welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Capcut on a laptop or PC. Follow these steps. Open Google and type Capcut download. Now click this link. On the home page, click Download for free. The download should begin automatically. Choose a destination folder to save the installer file if prompted. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to install Capcut. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, you can launch Capcut immediately by clicking the Capcut icon located on your desktop or in the taskbar. This is how you can download and install Capcut on your computer easily.